marker challenge. Let's pick colors. Okay, I'll pick red, orange, purple, and Micah get this color. Micah gets blue, yellow, and gray. Now Micah, let's color. It's red. First. Yeah. Look, Micah. Color. Color this. This. Micah, color this. This. Good job. Where? This might orange. Or oh, Micah, look. You see? We color. Micah, hold it. Hold it, Micah. Then color. Micah colored the eyes and the ears and the foot and the ball, Micah. And color. Goggle. Color, Micah. Goggle. Wow, Micah, you colored the eyes brown. Good job. I'm coloring mine. 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 Oh, this one doesn't work. So let me choose this one. Micah, are you coloring? I see, Micah. I'm going to show you how to color. Look. Micah, look. You see? Color the ball purple. Stop! You did it, Micah. You did it. You colored the ball purple. Okay, let's color the eyes red. And let's color the mouth brown. I'm coloring. And Micah, are you coloring, Micah? Eyes. Are you coloring? Micah, look. Go to color. Color, Micah. Micah, color. Color, Micah. Good job. Micah, good job. Now let me color mine. Okay. The basketball. Purple. Or brown or orange. I think orange. So let's pick orange. Micah, let me pick orange. Orange here. Okay, this orange. Yours is like this. Let me show you how to color. Okay, Micah, this is how you color. Look, You color. You color. And you color. See, Micah? Kaka? See? Now you color, Micah. Coco. Now we choose this one. No. You see my color? Coloring mine. Okay, let me use a different color, like this one. Purple. Micah, are you coloring yours? Hey, this is yellow, guys. This is yellow. I'm going to use it for coloring the legs. I'm coloring mine. I'm coloring. Okay, guys. I'll bring to you guys almost done. Coloring. My own look. Look, Micah. See my picture? You too? You see my picture, Micah? You see? See? Another. Guys, this is my Mickey Mouse that I colored. And this is the other Mickey Mouse that Micah colored, guys. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to Micah's Playhouse, guys. See you all in the next video. Bye. Say bye. Bye, guys.